Hello, hello. There we go.
morning.
Nonsense. We are getting ready to do a hike at the, well, this
Short.
one's a little short.
Short hike.
Munising Falls.
Falls.
So, yeah.
Here at
Should be
Picture Rocks.
Here at Picture Rocks in Michigan. So, should be a good time. Nonsense. And it stormed last night, so
Yeah.
should be some water today. Yeah, folks, only 800 feet. It's gonna be amazing on this one.
Oh.
She'll make me pay for it later.
Oh yeah. This will not be our longest hike.
Or our shortest. Hopefully.
Listen, lower viewing platform, upper viewing platform.
We want the upper. Okay. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Hey, get in that hole.
You're not blocking me in, man.
That's pretty cool. No, you ain't gotta sit up in there. That's cool. All right. You good though, huh?
That's cute. Yeah, you can sit in it.
That's pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty. Boom! Another waterfall.
Woohoo!
That's awesome.
Now let's go hike to the lower.
Yeah, it does look cool. That's a nice one. There you go, folks. 1908. Munising Lighthouse, downtown.
Cute little lighthouse.
It's a cute little lighthouse.
Cute little lighthouse. Why not?
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
All right. Short and sweet. It's kind of cool though. All right. That's pretty cool. Does have a nice little beach here by Lake Superior. But the internet was so wrong on this one. That is so funny. Okay. And boom. All right. How you doing, folks? We just seen that wonderful lighthouse that didn't have a top to it. Well, we're sitting here like, hey, let's gonna eat, you know, relax a little bit in the truck. Across the street, over there, is the lighthouse. So we're gonna see that here in a second. Nonsense. Wow. What was the luck of that? The Front Range Lighthouse, which was across the street from the one that didn't have a top. It is a dead-end road. It's very weird. So yeah, there she be. I found it across the street. Nonsense.